Okay, so once we've got our videos connected from iPhoto to iMovie, we want to start our project. And so the first thing you'll want to do is go up into the iMovie, um, the File menu, and select New Project. And when you select a new project, it'll give you a chance to name it. So go ahead and name that, whatever you're going to call it. It's probably a good idea to include something that distinguishes it from somebody else's, so maybe your name or a group name or something like that. And then all you have to do is hit create. Now there are different themes that you can choose, but for our purposes we're going to stick with the no theme because these themes are really related to the types of things that you might do for a family type video. So we're going to hit create, and when we hit create it'll open a new project window. It also remains that we have our access to our videos, right? And then we have our window right here which allows us to see what it is that is highlighted. So for example, you can see right now that the picture that is in the window right here of me aligns to the same space as this right here on the video. So as I move this, and this is called scrubbing, as I scrub across, you see how that changes. Okay, so that's the first thing. So to start a project, the first thing we need to do is, because this is the project window, is to get some video up into that window. Okay, so I'm going to take this video as my starting point, but I might not want the whole video, so I might review the video by kind of scrubbing across, and you can see there's a couple of seconds where I just kind of stand there. And then when I'm ready to go, and it's pretty obvious I'm ready to go, that would be the point where I start, right? And so now you can see that I have what's called the playhead, this little red line, located where I want the video to start. And if I click and then start dragging, I can see that the video is moving forward, right? I can see how many seconds I've covered. All right, maybe I want to stop right there. Okay, so now I've got 10.6 seconds of video. And from there, I can, this takes a little practice, but you can see that I've selected that point. I've stopped clicking. This stuff is not included. This stuff is included. And then I have a little hand when I float over here. That means I can grab this clip. And when I grab this clip, I can move it into my project window. And now I've got a transition before and a transition after, and the clip itself. And if I hit play, and I can do that in a couple of different ways, I can just hit play down here, or I can hit my space bar, and
this is me,
it'll show me
and I'm making
what
a
my
test
video is.
so that I can play with iMovie so that I can learn it before I teach it to you, the student. I'll see you in a little bit.
And so that's how I add a clip, and also how I review that clip.